Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with Team William O'Neill India. My name is Rashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst, part of Market Smith India team. Before we go ahead into this podcast, the disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASN, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide an assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Here is a Nifty's daily chart taken from our website. As you can see here, from the last 1 month or so, Nifty has been trading below its 200 EMA, which is not a positive sign. Nifty has to reclaim its 200 EMA to give support for the investors who are taking positions or who are holding positions. As long as Nifty stays below 200 EMA, it is not going to be a good sign for the investors. Recently, last week has been a very good action for on the Nifty front. After changing the market status to downtrend, Nifty has closed in the positive sessions consecutively for 3 trading sessions. Hence, we changed the market status to rally attempt. And yesterday and on the budget day, Nifty closed in the negative territory. Budget announcements have not given positive momentum or positive sentiment for the investors. Hence, there is not much action after post-budget announcements. There is no major macroeconomic event going forward. So Nifty has to reclaim its 50 and 200 EMS. Until then, we might see consolidation around the 23,000 and 23,500 levels going forward. Regarding the budget, we have come up with the budget review and major key announcements from the budget and sectoral implications of the announcements have also been mentioned in the document. It has been uploaded to the website. Please go through it, and if you have any doubts, you can write to us on email. And coming to the key news section, companies have been reporting their December quarter results. Power Grid has come up with the results, and revenue was down 3% year-on-year basis to 11,000 crores of rupees. Profit on the other side has declined 4% to 3,800 crores of rupees. This laboratories has also come up with the results, and revenue has increased more than 25% to 2,300 crores of rupees. Profit has increased more than 64% to 589 crores of rupees. Garden Rich Shipbuilders has also come up with the results, and revenue has increased more than 37% to 1,200 crores of rupees. Profit on the other side was up only 11% to 98 crores of rupees. In the today's session, we are looking at companies such as Titan Company, Asian Paints, Tata Power, Torrent Power, Godrej Properties, Global Health, JB Chemicals, JSW Holdings, among many others, which will be reporting their numbers in the today's session. So these stocks are expected to be volatile in the today's session, and if you have any of these stocks, please be watchful of your positions. Coming to the institutional activity, yesterday FIs have sold heavily almost 4,000 crores of Indian equities, and they also tried to give support for the Indian markets as they have bought more than 2,700 crores of Indian equities. And the trend of FIs has been on the negative side. They have been heavily exiting the Indian market, which is not a positive sign. For the global market update, US market closed in the negative territory overnight. Dow Jones closed 0.3% lower, whereas S&P and Nasdaq have closed 0.8 and 1.2% lower, respectively. Asian markets, as we speak, are trading in the positive territory. Nikkei and Kospi are trading with very good gains of more than 1.6 to 1.7% higher. GIFT Nifty is indicating a positive opening for the Indian markets. Yesterday it closed around 23,300 levels. We are looking at a level of 23,500 level. But as long as Nifty stays below its 200 EMA, we might see consolidation around these levels going forward as well. So Nifty has to reclaim its 200 EMA to find the clear momentum on the positive side. Thank you for joining today's pre-bill. Have a good trading session.